Hi, in this video that's part of our process chiller buyer's guide, we're going to be covering the hot gas bypass system. In all of our scroll model chillers, this system is a standard feature, and it's a very critical system in preventing damage to the chiller's evaporator under low load and low ambient conditions. I'm also going to show you on screen, as well as in this chiller here, on how this system operates. So what we're looking at here is the top of our Copeland scroll compressor. This is our discharge line. This is our high pressure transducer, our service port. Now right here is a critical junction here. As I mentioned earlier, hot gas bypass is standard on all scroll model chillers. One direction that the high pressure gas goes off to is the inlet of our condenser. The other branches off over here. If you follow this pipe along here, it takes us right to our hot gas bypass solenoid valve. Now, about 90 seconds after the compressor starts, this solenoid valve will open, allowing the hot gas to go to our regulator valve. All right, so when the hot gas goes through the solenoid valve, it proceeds down in here to a regulator valve. And this regulator valve is what makes the decision, if you will, to inject hot gas into the evaporator.
So let's take a look at the hot gas bypass system in a process chiller. We'll start here at the compressor, and on the outlet of the compressor you have a discharge line. There's two courses of travel of your hot gas. One is to your condenser and one is down here towards your hot gas system. Now there's two important components to the hot gas system. One is the hot gas solenoid and the other is your regulator valve. Now on a legacy chiller, 90 seconds after the compressor starts, by default, this hot gas bypass solenoid will open, allowing hot gas up to the inlet of the regulator. You'll also notice that there's a tube here that connects up to the chiller system's suction line. Now, this allows the hot gas bypass regulator valve to know what the suction pressure is up here. Now, the main benefit of a hot gas bypass system, there's actually two. First, what it does is it prevents potential freeze-ups of your evaporator. And this can happen when somebody goes and tries setting the set point of the chiller lower than it should be. And that can cause a catastrophic failure of the chiller's evaporator and excessive downtime. The other thing that a hot gas system will do is provide with capacity control. And when you get into low load conditions, it can help to divert some hot gas, basically taking away some capacity from your evaporator. So that's another benefit to it. Overall, a hot gas bypass system will significantly add to the life of your chiller. So when you're shopping for a chiller, you want to make sure that this is a feature that's provided by the manufacturer.